How to add Turbo token to Bybit wallet. Now, to be able to do that, make sure to open the Turbo token on CoinMarketCap. So after that, go to contract and copy the address. If you want to copy the address under the Ethereum network, you can, or you select the network Solana. So after you copy the token address, go and open your Bybit wallet. Now after that, click on these three lines. Now from here, select the, or click on the plus. Now from here, select the network as Solana. So after you select the Solana as a network, as you can see, or just search it for here. So after you select the network, just paste the token address, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on confirm. Now after that, to make sure that you added your token successfully, just go back, and as you can see, this is our token. Just switch the network to Solana to be able to find it here. So as you can see, this is our token, and this is the Solana network. So this is how to add the Turbo token to Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.